Well done, guys. So today we are going to be talking about multiplication of unit vector. The multiplication of unit vector can be done in different ways. It can be done basically in three ways. The first way is multiplying a vector by a scalar number to get a vector, multiplying a vector by another vector to get a scalar. This is known as scalar product or dot product. And the next one is multiplying a vector by another vector to get a what? Vector. And this one is referred to as vector product or cross product. Let's look at a typical example. If vector A equals 2i minus 3j plus 2k, find 2a. What that 2a means is that we should use that 2 to multiply the vector A. So if you are using 2 to multiply the vector A, then this will be 2 times 2i, 2 times minus 3j, 2 times 2k, and we get 4i minus 6j plus 2k. Now we are going to look at scalar product. What is a scalar product? A scalar product will be, this is when a vector is multiplied by another vector and we get a product to the word scalar. It is also called dot product. And the dot product of vectors A and B can be written as A dot B equals magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. This simply means that the formula in scalar product is what? A dot B is equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta. So for an illustration, if vector A is equals to AXI plus AYJ plus AZK and vector B is equals to BXI plus BYJ plus BZK, we should look for A dot B. So we will just write vector A, we will also put dot between them and also write what? Vector B. Now our A dot B. Now whenever we are doing A dot B, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be multiplying similar unit vectors together. We are going to be multiplying similar unit vectors together. So that is why, guys, so if our AXI is this and our BXI is this, our A dot B will be AXI dot BXI plus our AYJ dot BYJ plus AZK dot BZK. So that's how we are going to do it. And you have to note that in scalar product, I dot I is equals to 1, J dot J is equals to 1, K dot K is equals to 1. But I dot J, J dot I dot K, K dot I, J dot K, K dot K is equals to what? 0. This simply means that multiplication of similar unit vector is what? Is 1. While the multiplication of on similar unit vector is what? 0. Now let's look at a typical example, guys. So guys, in this particular example, the question is find the scalar product of this and also find the angle between them. Now guys, don't forget that since we are looking for scalar product, another name for scalar product is dot product. This simply means we are also looking for the dot product. So this simply means that the question asked us to look for A dot B. Now, our A dot B would equal, this is A, 4i plus 8j minus 3k dot, this is B, 6i minus 3j plus 4k. So guys, remember that whenever we are looking for the dot product of two vectors, what we have to do is that we have to multiply similar unit vectors together. We have to be multiplying similar unit vectors together. So you are going to say that in A we have 4i, so this will be open bracket 4i dot 6i. Then you are going to place plus here. Open another bracket 8j 3j. 8j dot minus 3j. Close the brackets. Then place plus again. Open another bracket minus 3k dot 4k. Close the bracket. So this is how you are going to write the expression. Then we are going to do this. What is 4 times 6? 4 times 6 is 24. Then what is I dot I? You have to know that the multiplication of similar unit vector will give us what? 1. So I dot I is 1, J dot J is 1, K dot K is 1. So I dot I will be what? 1. So this will be 2, 24 times 1. Plus 8 times 3. This is minus 3, this is 8. 8 times minus 3 is what? Minus 24. Times J dot J is 1 also. Plus minus 3 times 4 is what? Minus 12. K dot K is also what? 1. So the final answer will be written as 24. Now what is plus times minus? Minus 24 plus times minus, minus 12. And this gives us what? Minus 12. This simply means that our A dot B is equals to minus 12. Now guys, the last question asked us to look for the angle between them. You will just remember that A dot B is equals to the magnitude of A, magnitude of B, or cos theta. So therefore, if I'm looking for the angle, let us make this cos theta the subject of the formula. So therefore, cos theta will be equals to A dot B all over magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So therefore, this simply means that we firstly need to look for the magnitude of A, also look for the magnitude of B. So if A is equals to 4I plus 8J minus 3K, then let's look for the magnitude of A. The magnitude of A will be equals to the square root 4 squared. The magnitude of A will equals to 4 squared plus 8 squared plus minus 3 squared. The magnitude of A would give us this. The magnitude of B will be equals to 6 squared plus minus 3 squared plus 4 squared. We are going to get 7.41. Therefore, our cos theta will be equals to A dot B over magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Theta will equals cos inverse A dot B over magnitude of A, magnitude of B. That will be cos inverse minus 12 over 9.43 times 7.41. Then the final answer for our theta will be equals to 99.38 degree. So thank you guys for watching. Then participate in this question.